In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M23 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Apple Layout on this smartphone. Begin by opening Play Store and installing free app called OS 18 Launcher. It has to be from Launcher Studio developer. When it's ready, open it. Then hit Get Started. Select I agree to terms and conditions and choose Continue twice. Then tap on While using the app, Allow, and close another. Finally, after managing all of those options however you want to, hit Set as Default and tap on iOS Launcher to apply it. As you can see, mine was successfully applied. If you wish to go back to the default one, you can always do that by going back to the same app, hitting Set as Default and tapping on your default launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!